Hello everyone, welcome back to Key to Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a call to action box like this to your Blogger website. So whether you want to grow your email list, or you want to make affiliate sale, or you want to redirect visitors to important pages, then this type of call to action box will help you in that. So let's check how you can add this to your Blogger website. So here all you have to do is copy a code snippet like this where we have the HTML code and the CSS code. So here you need to change your affiliate links or important pages links, and you can change the button text here like get hosting. So I can change it to something like hostinger, and the button will change like this. And you can also change the color of the button here. So you can see this is the call to action button, and we have a background color here, and we have the border color here. So this is the background color and this is the border color here. So you can change all these colors here, and we can also change the font size of heading and change the font size of paragraph in this call to action button. And you can also change the button alignment, button background color, and all these things. So let's check how we can add it to our Blogger website. So let me click on copy. I will go to Blogger website and I can open any of the blog post. So let me click on this one here, and I need to switch to the HTML view, and I need to paste this code. So let me add this code here and let me hit update. All right, now let's open this post in a new tab, and let me scroll down, and as you can see we have the call to action button added here. So you can also further customize it. You can increase the padding, or you can change the width of this call to action button. And let's check how it looks in the mobile devices, and this is how it looks in mobile devices. So you can increase this size, and this is how it looks in tablet, and it is fully responsive. Now let's check how you can change the width and how you can adjust the margin and padding. So for this, let me click on here, and we have the margin added 8 pixel in the heading, and we have added margin bottom of 15 pixel after the paragraph. And we can also change the padding of the whole box. So let's change the padding to 30 pixel here. As you can see, the padding is now increased, and I can also increase the border here. So let me change it to 5 pixel, and as you can see the border is now increased. So in this way you can add a call to action box to your Blogger website, and you can improve your affiliate sale, or you can redirect your visitors to important pages. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this regarding Blogger and WordPress website. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.